Good morning, guys. Back with another gig economy video. On my way to pick up two customers order, and I just got a text from customer A that her bags are heavy. Again, why do these customers like to have their bags so heavy that you can't even carry them? I don't understand. But she said she did send a text that she will help, so we'll see once we get there. Alright, guys, I found the place. Now look at these big old black bags that I hate doing. There we go. Watch what I'm talking about. It make no sense. Like I'm not human. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, guys, I'm on my way to customer B. But thank God this young lady, she did come out and help me with the bag. She said that look at there now, that she said that she's moving.
Turn left onto Marcella Road.
That's why she has so much laundry, and I'm glad she helped, just like I told her, because these bags took two people. So what I'm gonna have to do when I get to the house, come out with a basket and divide them, because they're just that heavy. That heavy.
Marcella Road.
And I also told her that I may have to request more time, because no way with me having to work today and tomorrow that I can have her clothes back to her by 8 o'clock tomorrow, and I have another customer. If I do it, it's only because of the grace of God. But anyway, guys, I'll be back
on Marcella Road for 3/4
when I get to the second customer. Okay, customer B don't even have the laundry out, so I gotta figure out where it is. I'll be back, guys.